Hello children, myself Sarita Shetty. This year I am going to teach you all computers. So let us start with the first chapter, the computer system. We all know what is a computer and how it is useful for us, right? So, what is a computer? A computer is a set of devices that process the input and creates a set of output. What is a computer? A computer is a man-made electronic machine. It is extremely accurate, very fast. It can help us in a day-to-day task. Now, before moving ahead, now I'll tell you, I will explain you what is input, what is processing, and what is output. Right. Now, whatever the information we give through the user, it is called as input. Now you all must be knowing what are the input devices by what you give the information to the computer. How do you give input to the computer? You give input to the computer through keyboard, right? So you are giving the input, you are feeding the data into the computer. Then what happens? It manipulates the work. Okay, manipulating and working on the given instruction is called processing, right? It works on it. Working on it means processing. Okay, I'll just give you one example. You eat, right? Whatever you are eating, input you are taking, then digestion is going on in your stomach, and then output whatever you get in the morning, right? So just like that. So now how do you get output here? What is the output? The final result is called output. As the CPU finishes the processing, we get desired result. Okay. Now suppose we are typing on the keyboard 2 plus 2. Immediately on the screen you will get the answer 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Okay. What is happening in the computer CPU? The processing is being taken place, and on the monitor you will get the output. Okay, so now what are the parts of input can be given by your keyboard, then your mouse, your scanner also. Okay, now for the processing you have only one machine, that is CPU. Okay, and how do you get output? Where do you all get the output? Now whatever I am talking is also an output. Okay, speaker can be an output, printer can be an output, right? And monitor is also a output device. Now let us see different types of computer. Now computer comes in many sizes and shapes, isn't it? Now let us see about the desktop. What is a desktop? It is also called as a personal computer. Okay. Now this type of a computer is kept on the desktop. Okay, this works only on electricity. It works only on electricity. Now such computers are used. Where are these computers used? These computers are used in home, offices, or at school. Okay, they are also known as personal computer. Then you have laptop. We all know laptop. We all are seeing laptop. What is laptop? Okay, a laptop is smaller than a desktop computer and can be easily carried around. Okay, then it is also called as a laptop as you can keep it on your lap also while working. All of you know what is lap? Okay, so we can keep it on the lap and we can work. Now let us see some other qualities of laptop. Laptop is very lighter and smaller, okay, in size than a desktop. Now how does it look? It just looks like a briefcase. It can be easily carried from one place to another. Another another part is it can also work on battery. It does not need electricity. Okay. Then you have a palm top. It is also called as a handheld PC or a computer. It is smaller than even a laptop. Okay, it is called as a palm top. It can easily fit into the palm of an adult. Okay. Again, it is very lighter in weight. Then it can also work on battery, right? Now let us see some of the characteristics of a computer. Now it has some special features that have made it so popular today. Okay. Now some are, as I said when I was explaining in the class, how do you remember the characteristic of a computer? You have to remember one town or a city or a village name called like a SAS word. Okay, SAS word. Now I will elaborate SAS word. S is for speed, A is for accuracy, again S is for storage, V is for versatile, A is for again accurate automatic, and D is for diligency. Okay. Now let us see about the speed. A computer can do its work at a very fast speed. You all know. It can perform thousands of calculations in a second. Okay. About accuracy, all we know, it is very accurate. Okay. Computer always gives an accurate result. A computer never makes a mistake by itself. When we type something wrong, then only computer makes a mistake. Otherwise, it is accurate. Then storage capacity. The storage capacity of a computer is vast. It can store large amount of work. Okay. The computer can store documents, pictures, movies, and many other important files. Like all your PDF, whatever you are giving, all your Google Forms, we all can save it in that. Then tirelessness. We all get tired when we are doing work from morning to evening. By the end of the day, we are all tired. We don't feel like working. But computer works tirelessly. It never gets tired or bored. Okay, if I tell you all to study from morning till evening, what you'll say? No miss, I am feeling bored. I am tired of studying. Now I want a break. But computer will not say like this. It can do a lot of work repeatedly at the same speed, and at the same speed it will do the work. Okay. Now let us see versatility. A computer can do different types of work efficiently. It can perform multiple tasks at the same time, such as graphics, playing games, working with the numbers or words. Now let us see some functions of a computer. A computer helps us by doing many types of work, like it can work very fast and saves time. It can help you to draw and paint. It can help you to play games. It will help you in doing sums. It never makes mistakes and never gets tired. It can store a lot of information. It can help you to listen songs and watch movies. It follows instructions correctly. Right? So, what did we learn in this chapter? That computers are being used in every field of life today. The working speed of a computer is very vast. It can store a large amount of information. It never gets bored or tired. It can do many types of work at the same time. Okay, children, here I end my chapter. I request you all to go through the lesson again and again to understand better. Thank you.